Meaning of Indian summer.
Indian summer.
Indian summer.
Indian summer.
Indian summer. Indian summer is a colloquial term used to describe a period of unseasonably warm and dry weather that occurs in autumn, typically in late September to mid-November. The exact origin of the term is uncertain, but it has been in use since at least the late 18th century in the United States. The weather phenomenon is often characterized by bright skies, above-average temperatures, and a lack of precipitation. It is believed to be caused by a combination of high-pressure systems, dry air, and the angle of the sun's rays.